Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and environment. Enable OEM unlocking and developer options, then plug the device to your PC. Once done, back up user data and export important keys and images so you can restore if needed. Make sure Fastboot and a DB are installed and USB drivers match the device. You should verify connectivity with Fastboot devices. This avoids interruptions and makes the upcoming lock command safe and predictable, reducing the chance of bricking during the critical operation. You now perform the core steps. Reboot into bootloader with a DB reboot bootloader, then check the device state using Fastboot getvar unlocked and getvar all. If you previously flashed custom boot or recovery images, restore the stock images now to avoid a mismatch when locking. Once stock files are in place and verified, run the appropriate command, either Fastboot OEM lock or Fastboot flashing lock depending on the vendor. You should watch the output, confirm prompts on device, and wait for the bootloader to report locked. You finish by rebooting the device and verifying lock state via Fastboot getvar unlocked or the device settings page. If the phone fails to boot after locking, do not panic. Temporarily unlock the bootloader, reflash the correct stock factory images for all partitions, then attempt locking again. Make sure to sync partition versions and signatures. One key troubleshooting tip is to inspect Fastboot and recovery logs. Mismatched partitions are the most common cause and must be corrected before repeating the lock procedure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.